Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making quick, practical choices. Set the correct project color space and load the timeline into the color page so you're working in the right environment. Next, create one node and call it base. Use it for the first pass. Look at parade, waveform, and vector scope to see exposure and skin tone offsets. This tells you what to change. Once done, use lift, gamma, gain to bring highlights, mids, and shadows into a balanced range. Now you refine the image. Add a second node for creative adjustments and pull up the primary wheels and custom curves to shape contrast. Curves give precise placement without destroying skin tones. Use a qualifier to isolate skin tones, then clean edges with matte finesse. This is why you make a separate node. Use power windows to protect skies or faces. Once that feels right, dial in temperature, tint, and saturation, and if using a LUT, reduce it to 10 to 25% for subtlety. Finish by matching all shots. Create a linked node chain and step through clips to tweak until skin tones and exposure read consistently across the sequence. Once matched, render cache a representative range and check the grade on monitors and a REC 709 reference. This reveals real-world issues. If you see banding or posterization, add a tiny amount of film grain or change project bit depth. If a single node causes trouble, disable it to isolate the problem and then correct or rebuild that node.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.